Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDONE.Dynamic Link Library and UNARC.Dynamic Link Library. So here, the ISDONE.DLL and UNARC.DLL error in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC games, as well as programs of large size. Large games or program have compressed data, which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here you can try to increase your virtual memory by hold Windows key and R key, and you can open the ISDONE.CPL. Click OK. Now the system properties will launch, and you can click a performance setting on Advanced tab. Click on Advanced and click Change Virtual Memory. Here you can untick this box. Now you can click on Custom Size. You can fill this blank, initial size and maximum size. So for most games, 2.5 GB is enough, so the values which work in most cases is 403,000. So set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And click the text button below. See you in the next video.